This French fry makes McDonald's $13 billion every year, more than some countries' entire GDP. But here's what'll blow your mind. By the time you eat it, this simple potato has been through a 9-month engineering process so complex, it's basically not even a potato anymore. Today on Made Simple, we're going inside the most over-engineered food on Earth. Every day, McDonald's serves 69 million customers. That's more people than the population of France. And every single one expects their fries to taste exactly the same. Tokyo to New York, Moscow to Mumbai. But here's the problem. Potatoes are agricultural products. They're inconsistent by nature. So, how do you turn nature's chaos into industrial perfection? You don't just cook the potato, you redesign it. McDonald's fries don't start in a kitchen. They start in a laboratory. Month 1 through 6, specially bred russet Burbank potatoes grow in designated farms. Not just any potato, these are genetically selected for length, starch content, and sugar levels. Month 7, the potatoes arrive at processing plants, where they're washed, peeled, and cut into precise 7-millimeter strips. Then comes the first cooking phase, blanching in 170-degree water for exactly 15 minutes. Month 8, pre-frying at 365 degrees, flash freezing, and coating in dextrose. Month 9, finally shipped to restaurants for the second frying. By the time you eat it, that potato has been cooked twice, frozen twice, and shipped across continents. Now here's where McDonald's gets scary good at food science. Step 1, blanching. This isn't just cooking, it's chemical modification. That 15-minute hot water bath removes the potato's natural sugars. Why? Because natural sugars burn at high temperatures, creating inconsistent browning. Remove them and you control the color. Next, dextrose coating. They literally spray each fry with a sugar solution. Sounds backwards, right? But dextrose browns predictably at exactly 350 degrees. This creates that perfect golden color every single time. Then comes the double fry process. First fry at 365 degrees partially cooks the inside and creates a moisture barrier. Second fry at 350 degrees, that's the magic number, creates the crispy exterior while keeping the inside fluffy. But here's the real genius, salt timing. The salt isn't just sprinkled on, it's applied at exactly 185 degrees. The perfect temperature for salt crystals to stip without bouncing off, but hot enough that the salt partially dissolves, maximizing flavor penetration. They've literally engineered the molecular structure of a potato. But McDonald's didn't just engineer the perfect fry, they engineered the perfect craving. Here's the psychology. Your brain is hardwired to love texture contrast. That crispy shell breaking to reveal fluffy potato, that's a dopamine hit. Scientists call it dynamic contrast, and McDonald's has perfected it. The salt content? 230 milligrams per serving. That's not random. It's precisely calculated to hit your brain's bliss point. Enough to trigger cravings, not enough to make you stop eating. Size uniformity plays mind tricks too. Every fry is exactly 7 millimeters wide. Your brain recognizes this consistency and builds expectation patterns. When expectations are met perfectly, you get satisfaction. When satisfaction is predictable, you get addiction. And temperature science? Fries are served at exactly 165 degrees. Too hot and you can't taste the salt. Too cold and the oils congeal. At 165 degrees, your taste buds are perfectly primed to receive maximum flavor, while the fry stays crispy for exactly 7 minutes. They've literally hacked your brain's reward system. So here's the truth McDonald's doesn't advertise. These aren't French fries. They're edible technology. A raw potato has maybe 12 ingredients if you count soil minerals. A McDonald's fry? Over 15 different chemical processes. Dextrose, sodium acid pyrophosphate, salt, hydrogenated soybean oil, natural beef flavor, citric acid. It's a chemistry experiment you can eat. And that $13 billion revenue? That's not just from selling potatoes. That's the price of turning nature into a machine. Every bite is identical because every bite is engineered. Every craving is calculated because every craving is designed. On Made Simple, we don't just show you how things are made, we show you how simple things aren't simple at all.